Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're tackling how to find and fix those annoying user experience gaps. You know the feeling, right? A checkout that makes no sense, a dead button, or a missing feature. Well, the good news is, it's not just bad luck. These gaps can be found and fixed. So here's the plan. We'll look at a core framework, then dive into a simple 3-step process. See, a gap happens when there's a mismatch between your intent, user expectations, and reality. This is when your product just doesn't meet expectations. It leads straight to frustration and disappointment. Think of a slow site, half-baked features, or bugs that just ruin the whole intended design. And this is a big one. You build the wrong thing perfectly because you didn't get your users. Okay, this table breaks it all down beautifully. Each gap has its own unique cause and effect. All right, now for step 1. How in the world do you actually find these gaps? It's all about using a mix of expert reviews, real user feedback, and just looking at the data. Basically, it's an expert review using a best practices checklist. It helps spot common problems really fast. Principles like these are the go-to checklist for finding spots where a design might just trip people up. Oh yeah, your analytics are pure gold. These metrics tell you exactly where users are getting stuck. Okay, so you found a problem. Now, the big question is, why is it happening? This process is key. It takes you from the symptom to the real root cause of the issue. So an execution gap is usually an internal problem. An insight gap, that's about your customers. And now, step 3, solving the problem and actually proving that your fix worked. A good plan makes sure your solutions are targeted, effective, and backed by actual data. A solid CRO plan looks at what brings people in, what stops them, and what seals the deal. And please, don't guess if your fix worked. A/B testing gives you cold, hard proof of the impact. This quote just nails it. It's not about making things look pretty, it's about getting results. Exactly. A great case study tells a simple story: problem, process, and the all-important outcome. And remember, this isn't a one-and-done thing. Great UX is all about constant improvement. So now you've got the framework. What's the first gap you're going to go out and solve?